Hey, I'm Mitchell. Welcome to another video in the RSP Education series. In today's industrial environments, automation can't function without reliable real-time data, and that's where sensors come in. Industrial sensors are at the core of every automated system, from monitoring temperature and pressure to detecting object presence and machine movement. They make it possible for machines to operate efficiently, safely, and with precision. In this video, we're going to break down the basics of industrial sensors, what they are, why they matter, and how they're used across different applications. Whether you're new to industrial automation or looking to strengthen your foundation, this is the place to start. If you like this kind of content and want more educational videos, please like and subscribe. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a professional for your application. RSP Supply is not liable for any misuse of this information. With that said, let's get right into it. So what are industrial sensors? They're specialized devices that are designed to detect and measure physical changes in the environment or in a machine. These changes might include temperature or pressure or distance, maybe light or motion or fluid flow, or even the presence of a specific object or a material. Once detected, though, the sensor is going to convert this physical input into an electrical signal. This signal can then be used by a control system, like a programmable logic controller or a computer, to monitor conditions or trigger specific responses in a process. In industrial automation, sensors play a fundamental role. They provide the real-time data that's needed to manage automated systems efficiently. For example, a sensor might tell a conveyor belt when a product is in place, or let a machine know that a valve is closed, or that a temperature has gone beyond a set limit. Roles of sensors in industrial automation include process control. It ensures processes operate within set parameters, like maintaining pressure or temperature levels. Within safety systems, it's working, detecting unsafe conditions and triggering alarms or shutdowns. Sensors within quality assurance, they monitor critical metrics to ensure products meet quality standards. In predictive maintenance, sensors assist in identifying wear or degradation in equipment before failure occurs. This reduces downtime and repair costs. So why are sensors critical in industrial automation? They're the eyes and ears of industrial machines and control systems. Without them, automated systems would be essentially blind and unable to respond to changing conditions in real time. Here are some key reasons why they're so essential. Sensors allow and enable machine-to-machine communication, since sensors collect data that allows machines to communicate with each other and then adjust their behavior based on inputs and outputs from other devices. This creates a connected environment where systems operate in harmony without even human intervention. To improve efficiency and precision, with sensors, machines can perform tasks with high levels of accuracy and repeatability. This eliminates or reduces waste, it increases productivity, and improves product quality. Sensors also enhance safety. They can detect unsafe conditions like gas leaks, overheating equipment, or the presence of a person in a hazardous area, and then automatically shut down machines or alert operators. Sensors are essential for automation systems, especially programmable logic controllers. They use sensor inputs to make logic-based decisions and control outputs like motors or actuators. Within SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, sensors collect sensor data from remote locations and visualizes it from monitoring and control. DCS, or distributed control systems, these are similar to SCADA, but they're often used in large, very repetitive processes like oil refinery or power generation. Sensors are also the foundation of the industrial Internet of Things, since the IIoT involves connecting sensors, machines, and software to collect and analyze data. This helps industries move towards smarter, more efficient, and more predictive operations. Sensors come in many different types. Each one's designed to measure specific physical phenomena. Here are some common categories based on their function. So proximity sensors. These detect the presence or absence of an object without physical contact. They're often used for object counting, position detection, and safety interlocks. Different types of proximity sensors include inductive, capacitive, ultrasonic, and photoelectric sensors. Temperature sensors measure the heat level of an environment or surface, often used in manufacturing processes, HVAC systems, and food production. There's different types like thermocouples, RTDs or resistance temperature detectors, and infrared sensors. Then you got pressure sensors. These detect pressure in gases or liquids, useful in hydraulic systems or pneumatic controls and fluid monitoring. They can measure absolute, gauge, or differential pressure. So some other sensor types, there's flow sensors. These measure the rate of liquid or gas flow in a pipe. There's vibration sensors. These detect mechanical oscillations, useful for monitoring motors and rotating equipment for predictive maintenance. Then you got vision sensors. These use cameras and image processing to inspect parts, read barcodes, or guide robotic arms. You have current sensors. These measure electrical current in a circuit, often used in energy monitoring or motor control. You have humidity sensors. These detect moisture levels in the air, used in environmental control systems. To sum it up, industrial sensors are the foundation of modern automation. They gather the critical data that allows machines and systems to make smart decisions in real time. From proximity and temperature to pressure and flow, each sensor type plays a specific role in keeping operations running smoothly. For a full line of sensors and hundreds of thousands of other industrial automation products, go to our website. That's rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware.